today?
As I told you before, tough match. Short is a good team. They create so many difficulties for us. Of course, they was a little bit behind. It's more difficult. We are not create good situations by sides. We penetrate by middle. We make some mistakes in the first half. Second half, we control more. We open the match. They pushing back, and we have more chance to score. We miss some chance, but we create. But alhamdulillah, we won the match.
What about your opinion about performance of Islam Awad today?
Good. To somebody who stopped since long time. The last match he has played, it was in Abu Dhabi in January. We are near to May. He was injured. He take a time to recuperate. I think his performance was good and he do a good job. He missed a chance because he was there. We miss a chance to score only when we are there. He make a good work. He respect the informations we pass to him to do inside the field. He has done a good job.
But about Ahmed Gafar?
What's happened?
Today.
No have any problem. Don't have any problem. Why you make all this salada? Don't make a salada, my friend.
Okay, thank you. احنا سالنا مستر فيرو قلنا له النهارده هنينا على الماتش اللي هو لعبه النهارده. قال لك انا قلت لك قبل الماتش ان الماتش صعب، هيبقى ماتش مش سهل، الماتش جيم مقفول، حاولت العب على الجناب ما عرفتش العب على الجناب لكن مقفلين الجناب، وقلت لك ان الماتش بالنسبه لي ماتش مهم النهارده. سالته على اسلام عوض بالرجوع بعد الفتره دي كلها، قال لك لو تفتكر انه لعب في دوره ابو ظبي من شهر يناير اللي فات، فشيء طبيعي انه يرجع النهارده مستواه متذبذب، لكن كان فوق الوصف وكان مستواه متميز واثبت جدارته النهارده. سالته عن احمد جعفر، قال احمد جعفر ما فيش مشاكل مع احمد جعفر، عادي ممكن يقعد على الدكه